Everyone, and welcome to today's crypto wallet showdown. We're looking at Xaman. I don't know why I keep calling it Xaman. It's Xaman, but in case you hear Xaman, I'm referring to the same thing. Xaman or Xaman. So Xaman versus Ledger versus Trust. We want to see who wins in 2025. So the three crypto wallets we're checking out and comparing today. So one of them is hardware, one is mobile, the other is XRP native. We'll compare the top wallets so you can pick the best. The first we're going to check is security. Ledger has the best hardware. Xaman is good because of its biometric login. And Trust Wallet is moderate because it's a hot wallet. Let's look at their XRP support. Xaman gives full support. Trust, basic XRP only. Ledger needs Xaman pairing. Let's look at fees. Xaman has lowest fees because XRP are native. Trust is high for swaps, and Ledger has about $79+ device cost. Let's look at the fourth feature, ease of use. Yes, Xaman is ease of use. Xaman is best for beginners. Trust has cluttered interface, and Ledger has a steep learning curve. Let's look at their staking and DEFI. For Xaman, it is AMM pools plus DEX, while for Trust, it uses multi-chain staking. Ledger has no native staking. So if you're an XRP fan, Xaman definitely wins. Agreed? Let me know below. Hit like if this helped.